How to fix Facebook profile picture not showing problem. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To solve the issue, first and foremost, you need to check for your network connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, just switch into a cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. This is because due to a low Wi-Fi connection, such issue may persist. However, if that is not the case and the problem is still there, tap open your Facebook. Try by refreshing your page. After that, if the issue still persists, press and hold on to your app and head to App Info. For stop it, head to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. Lastly, open up your Play Store. Then in the search bar, search for Facebook. If you find any of the available update button, leave your application for an update. If not, uninstall your application and reinstall it later. Just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.